Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back my YouTube channel. I'm here, your brother, Karim Muhammad Zafar Usmani. Today I will tell you about recitation of Holy Quran and necessary things, necessary point. Before going to main point, so do not skip this video and don't miss any main point about recitation of Holy Quran, which is related with the Holy Quran and recitation of Holy Quran with beautiful sound. If you're new on my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friend and like this video and do comment in comment section. Maybe I'm very sorry if I do not check any description. So inshallah I will check. When I check, inshallah I will give you your question answer as well. So today I will tell you necessary thing about Holy Quran. One main thing, two things, main things are there. So the one thing which I told you in my previous video, you can check out my YouTube channel. And the other main point, translation of Holy Quran. If you want to recite Holy Quran with the with maqamat and with the text as well, if you want to give any impression to audience or to listeners, you have to first know translation. When you recite and learn Holy Quran with tajweed, and then you have to learn with the translation, and then when you learn these maqamat and the checks of Holy Quran, so you can give you will you can impress a listener uh, with translation as well. For example, if you want to bring any expression on your page in your voice, so very necessary is that, so you have to know translation and then go to main maqamat, and then inshallah it will be easy for you. For example, so inshallah slowly step by step I will tell you about maqamat as well. For example, the one maqam is here, maqam saba. If you know about maqam, so got you get all information about maqam saba, and then you want to bring expression so which related with maqam saba. So if you know the verses translation, and then it will be easy for you to impress audience as well, impress to listener as well. So translation is very necessary thing, tajweed as well necessary, and translation as well necessary. So tajweed is main thing which I told you. Inshallah in next video I will tell you the sound level up the sound level. So when you learn the sound level, and then it will be easy for you during recitation of Holy Quran with maqamat as well, up down, you can up and down as well. So inshallah in next video inshallah we will see you. Now allow me, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.